Good morning, Nooksack Valley Middle School parents, students, and families. We are in the process of planning for the 2020-21 school year. In that process, we have taken a survey. We have heard what a lot of parents want. We are still trying to get an idea of the whole of Nooksack Valley schools in our school district in terms of what all of our parents would like to see for the upcoming school year and what they feel comfortable with. So in this planning process, we need some continued feedback from you. We are going to be putting out a second survey, and this survey will share a little bit about the upcoming options. I'm going to tell you about those, and then you can look at them for more information in the survey. The first option is Nooksack Valley School. This is face-to-face learning, student-to-teacher interactions on a regular basis. We will follow the Department of Health guidelines and safety protocols to ensure the safety of our students and our staff. This ensures also that our students can connect with their teachers on a regular basis. We feel this is the best mode of learning for our students. We will continue to implement teams so that we are ready and prepared for possible future school closures. It'll give us a chance to teach teams the way we would like to do that, and it ensures that our students are able to navigate teams well. Our next option is Nooksack Valley at Home. In this option, students will follow the Nooksack Valley Middle School curriculum. They will join a class that is happening at school, but they will be doing that remotely. This will be done through Teams, much like it was done in the spring of this past year. Our instruction will be pushed out to students, or students will join our classroom live at a regularly scheduled time. We still have details and technology to work out in this scenario. Our third option is NV Online. In this case, we have students who will be joining the Nooksack Valley School District for some resources like Chromebooks, hotspots that we can share out to students. And this is for options who wish to have a little more flexibility with their schedule. Students will enroll in appropriate classes in the online independent learning platform. The online teachers who have experience teaching in this manner will be providing feedback for students throughout their learning experience. In our survey, we will be providing a link to that learning platform for you to gain more information about it. In summary, you will have three options. One is Nooksack Valley at School. The second is Nooksack Valley at Home. This is where students will be joining us remotely. And third, we have Nooksack Valley Online. This is where your student will have some flexibility in their schedule. We will provide resources to them, but they will be joining classes remotely that are not taught by Nooksack Valley Middle School staff. We're sending a survey out on Monday. It should be open Monday through Wednesday. Your responses will be extremely helpful as we continue to develop our options for the 2020-21 school year. Thank you for taking the time to complete the survey.